Hello, everybody. If you want to share your Instagram story to WhatsApp status in today's video, we will be guiding you through the process. So, without any delay, let's just dive right into the video and get started. You can directly start by opening up the Instagram application for that. And if you have not uploaded a story yet, you can just go ahead and upload one. I already did. So, you can tap on your story and view your story for now. So, this is the story I have. So when you go over to this page right here, you can directly find some options called WhatsApp, Post, etc. So there are two methods available if you want to share your Instagram story to WhatsApp status. For that, you can tap on this WhatsApp option. And when you tap on it, it should start loading on your screen. And it will directly open up this page right here with your status, contacts, etc. You can just go over and tap on the send option right here, right below it, tap on it. Once you do, the status update will be done. If not this again in your story, look out for the more option and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can look out for the option called share. So find the option of share from the given menu that appears and tap on it. And once you go ahead and tap on it, it should load up on your screen. From here, what you can do is you can just go over and select the option for my status. And once you confirm it up, you just need to wait for this page to load up. And there we go. You will be finding the link available. You can tap on the share option again. And once you hit send, the status will be updated on your WhatsApp. So therefore, that is it, everybody. If you want to share your Instagram story to WhatsApp, this is how you do it. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.